Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling these Dodge 51 trucks. Now this is not a new model, this is an update. And you can see that these models were older. When we update this, eventually we'll update just slightly, to have some details underneath, to have better steering wheel, etc. And pay attention, we will update that eventually. But we need to update the video here and the listing pictures and the price, because this was an original piece that we did and it sells well, so it's popular, so we need to update it. So here we go. There's different versions. There's the one that's covered. There's the one that has the sides without the doors, the one that's completely open with nothing, the one with just the doors and no sides, and then here's the one with the doors and the sides. So the video applies to all of these, the assembly video. So first of all, take your clippers and let's cut these pieces here. You want to cut like this. Get those little pieces out of there, the support plastic. And then cut like this and like this. And then cut here. Just try to peel away that plastic, the support plastic. There you go. What you want to do next is have a X-Acto knife and maybe cut away some of this plastic under the wheel well there. Just try to cut away some of that stuff. And careful when you cut that. Looks like I need to replace my blade for this X-Acto knife. It looks old. That's that. That's done. Now we are still going to cut some things here. You want to cut the sprues off of these wheels. Cutting away. That's done. Now put a little glue here for the window. Very good. We just want to put that window on there now. First try, worked out well. And put some glue there, and this is a little more crude compared to some of the other kits. You just want to fit the wheels the way they'll look good. There's no details underneath this vehicle, no chassis details, but that's alright. We will be working on getting a better design, but in the meantime, this is what we got. And this is kind of a cool truck. Thankfully, if you're having this for a war game or something, you're not going to really use you're not going to see underneath the vehicle, so it should be okay. Good, so you can let that dry. Comes with two extra wheels. What you can do is you could put like one there or somewhere in the bed or whatever you wish. Put this spare. Well, that's the video for the Dodge WC-51 truck. Thank you so much for watching. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.